Quick question. Does your Meta in-platform ROAS look great, but your business doesn't feel like it's growing? Because if that's you, you're not crazy. You're just being graded on the wrong scoreboard. Here's the contrarian truth. In-platform ROAS is not a growth metric. ROAS is a comfort metric. It tells you how efficiently Meta can claim revenue. It doesn't tell you how many net new customers you're acquiring. So here's the one test I want you to run before you trust any ROAS number in the future. If ROAS is up, new customers have to be up also. Because if ROAS is up and new customers are flat, you're just recycling existing demand. If ROAS is up and new customers are down, you're definitely just getting warmed up traffic or previous buyers, not the net new customer acquisition you need to grow. But if ROAS is just steady, however, the new customer count is going up, that's the real growth. So let's make this simple. You only need 3 numbers: the new customer count, the repeat customer count, and the new customer acquisition cost. Those 3 numbers at a campaign level will give you the clarity you need to see if you're driving real growth. Scott from Wicked Reports here. Thanks for watching the video. We'll get right back to it. I did want to let you know we have the complete guide to new customer acquisition on Meta that is available. Click the link below. Growth. If you can't answer those 3 quickly, ROAS is basically entertainment. So let's look at a few questions around this vanity in-platform Meta ROAS metric. What is the ROAS lie? In-platform ROAS measures how well Meta can claim revenue. Question 2, what's the contrarian take most people don't want to admit? Sometimes the best in-platform ROAS comes from the audiences with the smallest growth ceiling. Just your existing customers you're trying to get to rebuy. What's the one test ROAS must pass before you can trust it? If ROAS rises, new customer count has to rise also. What are the 2 best signals to indicate you're in this situation? New customer percentage. If it's drifting down while ROAS stays steady, you're entering the retargeting loop. Or if new customer acquisition cost is creeping up while ROAS is stable, that would also indicate the same thing. You're entering the recycling loop instead of improving your new customer acquisition. This is why campaign changes don't produce predictable outcomes. It feels random because it is. What's the most common mistake that we see based on this in-platform vanity metric confusion? Treating in-platform account ROAS as the truth and scaling budgets based on the retargeting loop. In our Jonah Vargas case study with Bullseye Sellers, the win wasn't a prettier dashboard. It was a steep change in new customer acquisition costs, a drop of almost $50 a month, which isn't common. It was amazing. But that happened because they focused on new customer acquisition at the expense of vanity in-platform ROAS, and the results speak for themselves. If you want to see how we validate in-platform ROAS that is leading to actual new customer growth versus just vanity metrics, grab our instant demo link down in the description.